So as we are continuing the 700 series, so these all radios are very much bulky and they can't be they can't be lift up and taken down. There is possibility of getting destroyed, and means these are really heavy radios. So I'm confirming them right now here itself only. These are just unique radios and we have just one piece of each of them, that's why we have kept them here. So I will be confirming the model. I will be confirming the model. I will be confirming the number and name, and model number we will be saying from list and confirming it. These are just unique, all unique radios, confirming them at their respective places. So not going in order, just I will be confirming the radio IC. So starting from this 795, this is 795, and this is National Panasonic radio, C level 795. I am confirming from list. This is 729. So this is National Panasonic 795 RX 5010T, confirming from the photo 5010T. This is 795 5010T. So this has got confirmed, marking in the list now. पकड़ रही है सही से 789. So this is 789 number, and this is two-way national radio with this frequency chart, confirming ambience stereo 789, confirming in the list. 789 is National Panasonic RX 5050F, National Panasonic RX 5050F. So confirming the photo, this is that radio, confirmed, marking in the list now. Moving on to 789 is done. Moving on to 778 now. 778 should be Sony radio, and this is the photo. Checking from list 778. 778, yes, it is Sony radio, and CFS W3015, confirming the photo. This is the photo 778. Yeah, this one is this, so confirming it. Moving on to 782 now. 782 with radio, and this one again is Sony brand radio, and this model name is CFS85S. So confirming from list Sony CFS85 782 Sony CFS85 confirmed. So marking it in the list. 782 done. 782 done. Now these all we have completed. Moving on to other radio. Now this is 785 tape second Sanyo radio, confirmed from list. 785 Sanyo ML1L is the model number. So MW1L is actually the model number. We have got a printing mistake. So 785 also confirmed. Confirming 787 now. 787 should be Sanyo radio. This one is 787, and model number should be this one, MXW400F, confirming from list. 787, yes, Sanyo MX400F. So this is confirmed. 733. Really great. 733. 733 people only. Confirmed. 733 confirmed. 733 confirmed. Now moving on. This is 734. 734 should be Sony 13 Boss Reflex. So this is 734 Sony 13 Boss Reflex. Confirming this. So now confirming 777 radio. This is 777 radio. This is PX43 national radio. Confirming from list 777 PX. 784. 784 we have got Sharp GZ something or 52 something like that. 784 we are confirming. 784 done. So this is 784 Sharp GF7002. This is 784 Sharp GF9292 confirmed. This is 784 Sharp GF9292. Confirming it. So we have found 736 here. 736 is a Videocon RTSX 47 radio. Confirming from list. 736 video RTSX 47 radio. 736 done. 742 is this Philips radio, a unique one. 742 is done. Philips RP582. Confirming from photo. This one. Now we are covering these radios. These are really very heavy and antique, so they can't be disturbed from their places. We are confirming at here itself. 976 is Messner India. So confirming from list 976. So this is 976 Messner India. Done. 976 is Messner India done. 968 Telluride India. 968 Telluride India done. 968 done. Telluride India. 966 is again Telluride different model. Searching for 736. Searching for it. Alongside is the school, Siddharth College. So the recess time is going on. That's why so many voices are coming out. Noise is coming out. Siddharth. The museum itself is located in Siddharth College. So children are playing outside. That's why these noises are there. सात सौ छत्तीस नहीं मिल गया
736 इनमें देखो ये
इधर
अलमारी में देखो दोनों में है ही नहीं है
किधर
अलमारी में दोनों मंदिर
736 जा भी हर्षित कुद्दू
वहाँ तो 950 है.
Search for 736. 736 and 742. Come. Guddu, come. 736. 742.
हाँ इसमें ये होगा भी लगा है 800
736 we want. This is 900 series. I think we must be getting it here. 736. Okay, pausing the video now.